Imagine standing at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, where civilizations have flourished and faded over millennia. Welcome to Turkey, a land of enchanting beauty and a melting pot of cultures, where every corner tells a tale of its timeless history. Nestled between seas, mountains and plains, this country has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving their indelible mark. It is a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with the vibrancy of the modern world. From the bustling streets of Istanbul to the fairy chimneys of Cappadocia, from the ancient ruins of Ephesus to the sun-kissed beaches of Antalya, our journey will take us through a rich tapestry of landscapes and historical sites. And let's not forget about the mouth-watering Turkish cuisine, a gastronomic delight that has evolved over centuries. Pack your virtual bags and brace yourself for an unforgettable journey through Turkey. Welcome to Istanbul, a city where continents meet and cultures blend. Imagine a place where ancient history and modern life coexist, and you've got Istanbul. This city is a treasury of historical monuments, with the Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece of Roman engineering, standing tall since the 6th century. And let's not forget the iconic Blue Mosque, with its cascading domes and 6 minarets that punctuate Istanbul's skyline. Now close your eyes and picture the labyrinthine Grand Bazaar. Hear the echo of traders' voices bouncing off the walls, smell the rich aroma of spices and feel the velvety texture of Turkish rugs under your fingertips. Istanbul is not just a feast for your eyes but also for your palate, with its diverse cuisine offering mouth-watering dishes like kebabs and baklava. As the sun sets, Istanbul transforms into a city brimming with vibrant nightlife, where the rhythm of music and the clinking of glasses create a symphony of celebration. Istanbul, a city that leaves an indelible mark on its visitors. Next, we land amidst the whimsical landscape of Cappadocia. A land where reality blends with fantasy, Cappadocia is a geological oddity of honeycombed hills and towering boulders. These unique rock formations, known as fairy chimneys, are the result of thousands of years of weathering and erosion, crafting a scenery that never fails to captivate. Beneath these otherworldly structures lie extensive underground cities, harking back to a time when inhabitants sought refuge from invading armies. These labyrinthine dwellings, some 8 levels deep, are a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Above ground, the cave hotels offer a distinctive lodging experience, combining modern comfort with the rustic charm of a bygone era. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of the fairy chimneys bathed in the soft morning light. And the iconic hot air balloon ride? Well, it's a surreal, panoramic spectacle of this ethereal landscape that will leave you spellbound. Cappadocia, a landscape straight out of a fairy tale. Now, step back in time as we walk through the ancient city of Ephesus. Nestled in the heart of modern-day Turkey, Ephesus is a marvel of ancient architecture, a testament to the grandeur of Roman and Greek civilizations. Once a bustling metropolis, it was renowned as a center for the cult of Cybele, later adopted by the Romans as Artemis, and a thriving hub of early Christianity. Wandering through the well-preserved ruins, one can almost hear the echoes of chariots and the chatter of the marketplace. The city's crowning jewel is undoubtedly the Library of Celsus. Constructed in the 2nd century, this architectural masterpiece once housed over 12,000 scrolls, making it one of the largest libraries of the ancient world. With its marble-paved streets and grand amphitheaters, Ephesus is more than a city frozen in time. It's a living storybook, each stone a page filled with tales of empires, battles, and cultures long gone. Ephesus, a city that still whispers tales of the past. Now, bask in the ethereal beauty of Pamukkale. Picture a landscape that's a marvel of nature's artistry. Pamukkale, fondly known as the Cotton Castle, boasts stunning white terraces cascading down a mountainside, resembling a frozen waterfall. This natural spectacle, formed by mineral-rich thermal waters, sparkles under the Turkish sun, creating an otherworldly panorama. But there's more to Pamukkale than meets the eye. Perched atop these terraces are the ancient ruins of Hierapolis. This city of antiquity, with its well-preserved theater and necropolis, whispers tales of a bygone era, adding a layer of mysticism to the place. The highlight, however, remains the thermal waters. These pools, famed for their therapeutic properties, beckon visitors for a soothing dip. Imagine immersing yourself in warm waters, with the backdrop of dazzling white terraces and ancient ruins. Pamukkale, a dreamy spectacle of nature's creativity. It's a place where history and nature conspire to create a soothing, surreal experience that stays with you long after you've left. Next, we find ourselves in Antalya, the jewel of the Turkish Riviera. Cradled by the Taurus Mountains and kissed by the Mediterranean Sea, Antalya dazzles with its miles of golden beaches and turquoise waters that seem to have been pulled straight from a painter's palette. Venture beyond the beach, and you'll discover a city steeped in history. The Roman-era harbor, a testament to Antalya's ancient roots, is a must-visit. Its stone-clad streets are a window into a time long past, yet they pulse with the energy of the vibrant cafes and shops that line them today. And then there's the old city of Kalichi, a bustling labyrinth of narrow streets and historic houses. It's a place where the old and the new coexist beautifully, where you can sip on traditional Turkish tea in the shadow of ancient Ottoman houses. Antalya, a slice of paradise on earth. Our journey takes us next to the majestic Mount Ararat, the highest peak in Turkey. The beauty of Mount Ararat is as timeless as the legends that surround it. This snow-capped giant, standing at over 16,000 feet, is steeped in history and mythology. It's said to be the final resting place of Noah's Ark, a tale that has captured the imagination of countless generations. This association with the biblical narrative grants Mount Ararat a mystical allure, a sense of intrigue that whispers in the cool mountain breezes. But Mount Ararat is more than just a backdrop for ancient tales. It's a playground for adventurous spirits, a challenging trek that rewards those brave enough to conquer it. The climb, while demanding, is a journey through diverse landscapes. From the verdant foothills dotted with wildflowers, to the barren, rocky slopes that lead to the icy summit, every step is a testament to nature's grandeur. As you ascend, you'll witness breathtaking panoramas of Turkey's eastern frontier stretching out beneath you. The view from the summit, however, is the real showstopper. Here, you're on top of the world, gazing out over a sea of clouds, with the peaks of neighboring countries just visible in the distance. It's a sight that imprints itself on your memory, a reminder of the vastness of the world and our small yet significant place within it. While the climb is an adventure in itself, Mount Ararat's allure extends beyond its slopes. The mountain is an integral part of local culture, featuring in folklore, literature, and art. It's a symbol of resilience and aspiration, a reminder of the indomitable spirit of the Turkish people. So whether you're a history buff drawn to the mountain's biblical ties, an adventure seeker yearning for the thrill of the climb, or a culture enthusiast intrigued by its significance, Mount Ararat offers a unique experience steeped in beauty, challenge, and legend. Mount Ararat, a legendary mountain that towers over Turkey. As our journey through Turkey draws to a close, we are left with memories to cherish. A vivid tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty, Turkey has left us spellbound. We've navigated the bustling streets of Istanbul, the city of dreams where East meets West in a delightful dance of traditions. We've tasted the delectable Turkish cuisine, rich in flavors as diverse as the country itself, from mouth-watering kebabs to sweet and flaky baklava. Our hearts soared with the hot air balloons in the surreal landscape of Cappadocia, the land of fairy chimneys. We've walked through the remnants of Ephesus, the ancient city that whispers tales of a glorious past. We've marveled at the ethereal beauty of Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle, a testament to nature's artistry. The turquoise waters of Antalya, the Turkish Riviera, have washed over our senses, while the majestic Mount Ararat, the abode of legends, has left us in awe of its towering presence. As we relive these experiences, a few travel tips spring to mind. When choosing a hotel, location is key. Opt for accommodations in central areas, close to main attractions or transport hubs. This cuts down on travel time and makes transfers easy. And remember, in Turkey, hospitality is a way of life, so don't hesitate to ask locals for advice or directions. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Try the Turkish tea, engage in a game of backgammon, or lose yourself in the rhythmic beats of traditional Turkish music. The language may be different, but a smile is universal. And finally, keep an open mind. Every corner of Turkey has a story to tell, a flavor to taste, a sight to behold. Embrace the unexpected and let the journey shape you. Turkey, a land of diversity and charm, waits to welcome you to its embrace.